Next, even in our real estate also, what we will do is, what we will do is, 100% down payment, 100% you required to pay to get this plot, open plot. Like if we are keeping that, the customers won't come. We have to add one tagline. What is that line here? 80% loan available. 80% loan available. Then automatically all customers will come and they will buy the plot. Have you observed, right? What is the reason for that? What is the reason for that is the bank people, loan giving people are using your show off mentality to do their business, to grow their business. That much dangerous thing, friends. Okay, compulsory. So there are small, may not immediately, at least in long term, better to have this type of mentality. Debt free. I'm not having any loans. Debt free. Not having any loans. Next, I bought this item with my savings only, not by taking any loan. If you keep these 2 points in your mind clearly, well, you will become, you will be more peaceful. You will become more, you will get more freedom. You will become more rich also. Believe me. Only 2 things I'm expecting from you people. What is the first point? Yeah, Teja, what is the first point? Debt free. I'm not having any loans. Okay. How beautiful this is. Can you please write this line? Can you please write this line? These golden points for you people. If you maintain these points, then your life is going to be changed like anything, I'm sure. Believe me. So, I am debt free. Can you please write? Are you writing?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm debt
Affirmation.
free. So,
Affirmation today.
zero debts, zero loans I have. Can you please imagine once how beautiful, how pleasantness, how freedom you are going to get with this line? Second, I will buy anything without taking single paisa loan. I will buy anything without taking single paisa loan. Array, without loan, how we can buy, sir? That is the beautification of your wealth.